How to uninstall a Ring doorbell. So your first step is to gather the required tools. So before you begin, make sure you have the Ring security screwdriver. And if your doorbell is hardwired, a standard Phillips screw should work. So guys, remember you need a Ring security screwdriver. That's the Tor X T6 or a Phillips screwdriver. And optional, you could get a voltage tester for the wired models. Now, all you need to do here is simply turn off your wired model. Just head into your breaker and just simply turn it off to ensure your safety before handling any electrical connection. Please take this serious. All right, so guys. So once you've turned off the power, just simply remove the security screw. So locate the small screw at the bottom of the doorbell and remove it using the ring screwdriver, and just simply keep that screw in a safe place. And now all you need to do here is just simply remove the faceplate. So once you remove the screw, just simply gently push up from the bottom and pull the faceplate away to expose the mounting screws and battery compartment. So please keep that in mind, and then simply take out the battery. So once you've removed the screws, the battery should easily make itself accessible. And if your ring doorbell uses a removable battery, just simply press the release tab and slide the battery out before uninstalling the unit. Now the next thing you need to do, is unscrewing the doorbell itself from the mount. So you could use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the mounting screws holding the doorbell to the wall or bracket. Carefully pull the device away from the surface. That way you can have it out of the wall. And then last but not least, disconnect the wiring. So if your doorbell is hardwired, gently loosen the terminal screws and disconnect the wires and make sure they don't fall back into the wall. And now once you're done, just simply remove the device from the Ring app. So to complete the process, open up the Ring app, select the device, go to your device settings and remove this device. That's how it's done. All right, guys.